Hello there, and thank you so much for visiting with us. This is 199 New Montgomery, apartment 1106. We've got a big, huge open floor plan loft. Induction stove, fantastic, wonderful to cook on. Lots and lots of cabinet space in here. Nice big amount of a kitchen. We've got our huge, enormous living room, dining room area. Tons and tons of light. Beautiful amount of space. Lots of beautiful hardwood floors. Track lighting on the ceiling. We'll just take a little view outside. As you can see, we are rather high up, pretty fun. And then we'll go ahead and we'll step on into the bedroom. Bedroom is carpeted here. Again, big, huge, enormous windows, lots and lots of light in here as well. Beautiful cabinetry in the closet. So you already got to see the view when I did that before. Really, really great amount of cabinetry in here. And then we'll go ahead and we will step on into the bathroom. Really, really nice tile. Big shower tub combination. We have another spot here with more cabinetry in it. Lots more shelving. This place is fantastic with all of the shelving. And then we have our office studio here as well. So it's not closed off, but it is really still private from the rest of the room. There is a closet at the very, very end that has your washer dryer in it, which is always nice to have. We'll go step back into the living room again. There is a very large outdoor deck, you can see from the pictures, and parking is actually available as well. So go ahead and take a little peek into the video, take a peek at some of the pictures, and hopefully we can see you in here soon. Thanks so much for joining us. Bye-bye.